Today's our topic is reference image, and we will see that how we can use reference images and we can edit our pics in Midjourney. So without wasting any time, we will start. First of all, we will have to click on this plus button and this small pop-up will come and we have to click upload a file. It will take us where we will have our pics. So we will choose this pic, open, click open, and here is your pic. Just you have to hit enter or click, so it will be uploaded here. It will take a little time. Yes, this is our pic. And now what we will do is that first of all we will click on it, then right click, copy image address or copy link. If you don't have copy link option, then you have to click on copy image address. Right click anywhere. So come here, we will slash, click on imagine prompt. We will write our link here, or I will paste with the help of Control V, comma, space. Now we will write here our prompt. So here is our prompt. You can see and you can read: cyberpunk colorful woman with colorful outfit in an optical art setting in the style of fashion photography captured by light, L16, fantastic realism, volumetric lighting, fluid color combinations, matte photo, orange and blue vibrant colors. So all we have to just click and hit enter and we will see that what Midjourney will provide us pic. So here is our 4 pics that Midjourney has provided us. So these are 4 pics, 1, 2, 3, 4. U1 to U4 mean U1, U2, U3 and U4. If you want to upscale, then you have to click U1. Same way U1, U2, U3, U4. Which one pic you want, you have to click according to it, according to the picture. Same way V1, V2, V3 and V4. If you want more 4 variations of any pic, you have to click on V1, V2, V3, V4. Let me open it in a new tab so we can see the full quality of these pics. Pic 1, 2, 3, 4. So some pics you will not like and some pics you will like. So in this case, I will choose pic 2, and what we will do is that okay, I need 4 more variations of this. So come here, you have to just click on V2. If you will click on U2, it will just give you only one upscaled picture of this. It will not give you 4 variations. If you want more 4 variations of this, of any of this pic, you have to click V1, V2, V3, V4. So we will click V2 and let's see that what we will get result. And this is these are 4 pics. Now let me open it, these 4 pics in a new tab so we can see the full quality. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whichever you want or you like, you all have to do is just U1, U2, U3 and U4. According to the picture, you have to click U1, U2, U3, U4. In this case, we will choose pic 2. You can choose pic 1, pic 4, pic 3, pic 2. You have to just click according to the U1, U2, U3, U4. So when we will click on U2, here you can do only one thing more. You can make variations. If you want more variations, you have to click on this. So if you don't want more variations, if you say that it's okay for you, so this is the final result.